Hi, this is Daniel, and for this video in the mini blog tutorial series, what we are going to do is to set up the forms and the model forms in Django. It's going to be much easier to work with forms, submit data, and to manage information. So let's do this. So to create a model form in Django, first we have to come here to our blog and we are going to create a new file named forms.py. So this is going to be, and here from Django forms we are going to import model form, and actually model forms are very easy to set up and to do. And we have our model form, and after we have to import our models. So post. So what this is going to do, so we have like a model here, which is here, and we have all this information. But to submit this information, we need a form in the front end, something like that we have done here. However, imagine if you have a lot of fields in our model and you have like to do every bit of this manually. This is going to be like hell to do that. So Django provides us with a lot of solutions. The one that is most used and one of the best is the model form, because it's going to be like very easy to create the form, because since the forms will model that fields that we have in Django, we have only to say something to Django. Hey Django, create me a form which is the fields from this model and get me this form to work. And this is what we are going to do now. So let's do that. So here we are going to go class post form, and here we are going to inherit from model form. Now we are going to create a class method. So this is to add new properties and functionalities that our form will use. And what we want to say that our post form will be based on our model post, and the fields that we want, we can do different ways. We can say that we want all the fields, but most of the time we only want like some fields, so we have to display a list of strings of the fields that your model has. For example, if you don't have like body, we will not retrieve the body information in the views, for example. So we have to state here which are the fields that you want. Okay, so the model was created, and now we come here to the blog, create view, and in the get, what we are going to add, we are going to say that we want a form that's going to be our post form, and we have to import this. So from dot forms import post form. Let me check that everything is good. Yeah. Okay, so now we have the form here. So now let's pass that information on the HTML template. So as you learn by the view on the top, so to display that information, we are going to create like here a dictionary. That the key is going to be form, and here it's also going to be form. Okay, so now see that we have that view, but now in the form view, in the post news, we have access to the form. And now to display this information, we don't need to use this anymore, but we have just to do one thing. So we come here, so form dot as p It means going to be as a paragrapher, so all the inputs are going to be displayed as a paragrapher. You come here, and you have like the form here already have like, it gives you all the information that there is that you want to display, of course, that there is inside the model. So here we only have one author, which is Dany, so you can display this here, and Django is going to recognize that this is let's go to our model, that this is a text field, and going to display the input as a text field, and here like a char field, and here like a drop down. And so this is like a way to create the form much to create things much cleaner and much better. We don't need this, but you are in the post new. Okay, the only thing that we need to add here, it's input. That's going to be the type submit. That's going to be our button, but let's say that when this that way, it could be like out of waves, but now we have a form submit. So now we have to do this, and when you click this is going to give this error that is forbidden, because this is not retrieving anything now, because we haven't set up any views in Django to deal with post requests. So this is what we are going to do in the next video. We are going to set up the post to actually send information from our site to our model. So if you like this video, click, share and subscribe, and see you in the next one.